first, if acetaldehyde CH3C double bond OH, this reaction is given CH3CHO, and here 50% NaOH solution is given, and you are asked to say what will be the product. Now what you will do, this CH3CHO, you will write this as this form, here CH3 CH2 and one hydrogen. Okay, this is CH3CHO, and again write the same compound here, CH3C double bond OH. Then this hydrogen goes to this oxygen of carbonyl group, and this alpha carbon bonds with the carbonyl carbon, and you will have the product as, you start writing from here, CH3, then single bond C, then here single bond O, and the hydrogen is added from this CH3 group, so this is OH, one hydrogen atom is here, then bond continues with this alpha carbon, that is CH2, then the remaining C double bond of H. This will be the product. Okay, so this is the trick. What you have to do is the alpha hydrogen shifts to the oxygen of carbonyl group, and a bond is formed between alpha carbon and this carbonyl carbon. So this is the product. Now what happens if this for this reaction CH3 CH2 CHO is treated by 50% NaOH solution, what will happen, and what you will do, the same thing, you will do the same thing. There's one of the alpha hydrogen here, you will write one of the alpha hydrogen by this manner, then C double bond OH, and the other group is other molecule CH3 CH2, then C double bond OH. The same thing will happen, this alpha hydrogen will go to this oxygen of carbonyl group, and a bond will be formed between the alpha carbon and the carbonyl, and the reaction you will start to write the compound from here. Okay, so here is CH3, then CH2, then C, single bond O and H comes from this alpha hydrogen, then hydrogen is there, then a bond continues with the alpha carbon, so that's CH, and CH have a CH3 group also, so here the CH3, and then the bond continues with the aldehyde group C double bond OH. So that will be the product if we treat propanol with 50% NaOH solution. Next, see what happens if we treat dimethyl as a dimethyl ethanol with 50% NaOH solution. Okay, let's see another reaction. CH3 whole twice CH CHO 50% NaOH. At first we have to find out where if alpha hydrogen atom is present or not. If alpha hydrogen atom is present, then the reaction will follow aldol reaction, and if no alpha hydrogen atoms are there, then it will follow Cannizaro reaction. First of all, this CHO group, that is this carbon is carbonyl carbon, and the carbon which is bonded to this carbonyl carbon is called alpha carbon, and here we can see one hydrogen atom is present, so the hydrogen atom which is bonded to alpha carbon is called alpha hydrogen. Since alpha hydrogen is present, so the reaction will follow aldol condensation. So the easy trick is CH3 whole twice CHCHO, CH3 whole twice, then C, this one is the alpha hydrogen, then CHO, that means C double bond OH, and the same molecule is written again here, CH3 whole twice CH, then C double bond O, then H. So alpha hydrogen, same trick, alpha hydrogen will go to the oxygen of carbonyl group, and this alpha carbon will make a bond with the carbonyl carbon. Okay, so the product will be, we will start writing from here, so CH3 whole twice CH, then single bond C, single bond OH, hydrogen, then bond continues with this carbon, alpha carbon. Here two methyl groups are present and also a CHO is there. So CHO is here, C double bond OH, and two methyl groups. Here we can write two CH3 groups as ups and down, CH3 and CH3. So this will be the product if we treat dimethyl acetaldehyde with 50% NaOH solution. Now what happens if this question is CH3 whole thrice, then C, then CHO, then 50% NaOH? What happens? Now this one is alpha carbon, this one is carbonyl carbon, and the carbon bonded with this carbonyl carbon is alpha carbon, and you can see that here no hydrogen atoms are bonded with this alpha carbon, so no alpha hydrogen atoms are there. So this reaction will follow Cannizaro reaction. Now in Cannizaro reaction, what happens? This group changes only and the remaining remains same. This group CHO gets oxidized to form COOH, and again it gets reduced to form an alcohol, that is CH2OH. So the two products will be, one is CH3 whole thrice C, then COOH oxidized form, and the other product formed with CH3 whole thrice C, then CH2OH. This one is the reduced form. So these two compounds will be formed if we treat trimethyl acetaldehyde by 50% NaOH solution. So this was the tricks for easily obtain the products from aldol condensation as well as Cannizaro reaction.